Get our viewers all the details that we have about the petition that's been filed by Rhea Chakrabarti in the Supreme Court. In her petition, Rhea has said that she's innocent and that all allegations leveled against her are false. Rhea's alleged that Sushant's family is using influence to file an FIR against her in Patna, the details of which we just put out a few minutes ago. Rhea's also claimed that Sushant's relative, who is an ADG in the Haryana police, is possibly behind the FIR filed by the Bihar police, and also appealed that the apex court transfer the probe to the Mumbai police, since she claims that an impartial probe in Bihar is impossible. Now, Rhea's also alleged that on July 27th, Sushant's friend Siddharth Pithani was asked by the ADG to give a statement to the Bihar police and to make a statement against Rhea. Bihar police is set to quiz Siddharth Pithani, who was at Sushant's house, in fact, on June 14th, when the actor took his life. Meanwhile, Sushant's ex-girlfriend and former co-star Ankita Lokhande has also been questioned by the Bihar police a day after Rhea was grilled. Cops are now probing if Sushant was in touch with Ankita, as she claims, during the Manikarnika release. Let me take this back across to Pankaj. Pankaj, we've been exploring the details of what Rhea Chakrabarti has said in her petition. What also, of course, has led to a lot of charges against Rhea is not just what the family has said, but reportedly what Ankita Lokhande has told the police. She's reportedly shared screenshots of a WhatsApp conversation with Sushant where he had spoken about Rhea Chakrabarti.
Yes, a lot of statements had come out. I remember Ankita Lokhande a few days back had put out a very cryptic social media post as well, which had said that truth will prevail. And we have yesterday, the Bihar police has also questioned her for over an hour. Now, it is also reportedly said that in 2019, when her movie Manikarnika was to be released, the late actor had a word with her, and he not just wished her well, but also had an emotional talk with her, wherein reportedly the late actor confided in Ankita Lokhande that Rhea Chakrabarti was harassing him. So these are the statements with the Mumbai police as well. A statement from the Mumbai police in this regard or from the Bihar police is yet to come out. All that the Bihar police has to say off record is that they have taken down and recorded the statements of more than 6 people, which of course includes Ankita Lokhande, which also includes the cook of the late actor as well, and some of the friends of the late actor. But they say more friends of the late actor and of Ankita Lokhande are still in the scanner. The bank account details of Ankita Lokhande and her friends and that of Sushant's friends are also under the scanner. Because Akshita, on one hand, yesterday we were talking about the financial angle. Now, if the Bihar police had gotten hold of the account details of Sushant Singh Rajput, they would have seen that the account did not have the kind of money which the FIR says was siphoned off or transferred into another account. So what were they finding out? So the focus, of course, still remains on the 3 firms, as I've been talking about, which were formed in 2018, 19 and 20. If there is a clarity on this financial aspect as well, then of course we will be able to talk about more comprehensively as to where this probe is leading. Still we have revealing gate revelations, but these are mere statements.
Yes.
Of course, the financial angle still holds ground till, of course, a time comes when either the Mumbai police or Bihar police comes out with a statement giving details on the transactions that were made and the details and the authenticity of these 3 firms which established between 2018 and January 2020.
It's very clear that the need of the hour is a detailed investigation, because you've got a financial angle that needs to be looked into by the authorities, besides, of course, these allegations against Rhea Chakrabarti, who was in a relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput. Pankaj, stay with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.